Are you struggling to maintain your glucose levels? It's a common predicament, given the fast-paced world we live in. Balancing glucose levels is fundamental to our overall health, acting as our body's primary source of energy. However, its maintenance can often feel like a tightrope walk. But don't worry, it's a struggle many share. So if you find yourself in this boat, take solace in knowing you're not alone. This guide will provide you with some quick steps to help you lower your glucose levels. First and foremost, your diet plays a crucial role in controlling your glucose levels. The food we eat is broken down into glucose, providing our bodies with the energy they need. Different foods impact our glucose levels in various ways, and this is measured by the glycemic index, or GI. Foods with a high GI cause a rapid rise in blood sugar, while those with a low GI result in a slower, steadier release of glucose. Incorporating low GI foods into your diet can help maintain balanced glucose levels. Think whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables. These foods not only have a lower GI, but they're also rich in fiber, which slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing spikes in glucose levels. Lean proteins are another key component. They do not directly affect blood sugar levels and can help control hunger and maintain muscle mass. Remember, what you consume directly impacts your glucose levels, so choose wisely. Next up, never underestimate the power of physical activity. Regular exercise is an incredible tool to help manage your glucose levels. When you're active, your muscles use up sugar in your blood for energy, naturally lowering your glucose levels. Now, there are two types of exercises that can be particularly beneficial: aerobic and resistance training. Aerobic exercises like running, swimming, or even brisk walking get your heart rate up and can help improve insulin sensitivity. On the other hand, resistance training, such as lifting weights or doing body weight exercises, helps build muscle mass. The more muscle you have, the more glucose your body can store, reducing the amount in your bloodstream. But here's the key: consistency. It's not about running a marathon once and calling it a day. It's about making physical activity a regular part of your life. So lace up those sneakers and get moving. So make sure to break a sweat regularly to help your body regulate glucose levels effectively. Lastly, certain lifestyle changes can go a long way in managing your glucose levels. While diet and exercise play a major role, we cannot underestimate the significance of maintaining a healthy weight. You see, carrying extra pounds, especially around the midsection, can affect insulin's ability to lower blood sugar. So losing even a small amount of weight can have a big impact. Now let's talk about sleep. While we often overlook it, getting enough quality sleep is crucial. When you're sleep deprived, your body's insulin sensitivity can decrease, leading to higher glucose levels. So ensure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Stress can also wreak havoc on your glucose levels. When stressed, your body releases hormones that can cause your blood sugar to rise. So finding healthy ways to manage stress, like meditation or yoga, is essential. Let's not forget about the adverse effects of smoking and alcohol on glucose levels. Both smoking and excessive drinking can lead to insulin resistance, making it harder for your body to regulate blood sugar. So if you smoke or drink heavily, it's time to consider making some changes. In conclusion, managing your glucose levels is a balancing act of diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. Remember, every small step counts towards a healthier you.